Hello everybody and welcome to Memphis, Tennessee. This video is going to be about outdoor lighting, and I'm still an old school person on outdoor lighting. I like the low voltage lights versus the solar lights, and that's why this video is going to be about replacing the lamps with LEDs and which one I chose. Alright, there's several reasons why I choose to stick with outdoor lighting that is 12 volts. One is because it's very reliable. It's always the same brightness, and I can set it for dusk to dawn, and I don't have to worry about the batteries going dead. The only issue I do have is sometimes when we lose power, I have to reset the timer. But other than that, I have no issues except for the bulbs, which I have solved, and we're going to discuss that next. So if you're like me, you were using this type incandescent lamp and it just didn't last very long, maybe about 3 months, 4 months a piece, and I think this package right here cost me like $5 for 4, but I found these right here the other day, and these were I think $13 for 10, and it says they last 100,000 hours or something like that. 10,000, a lot. Anyway, I'll put a link to these in the description. They're pretty cool looking. They are the wedge type right there. Same type, just remove and replace. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. So here it is in the socket, just like the other one, a wedge type, fits right in. These LEDs are 4-watt equivalent. Their color code is almost the same as what I replaced it with. You could get different color codes, but I chose the soft white, and it's pretty much the same. A little bit whiter light, and the brightness is maybe a little bit brighter, which is good. They only use 0.9 watts each, so I had 7 lamps in my system, so 7 times 4 is 28 watts, and now we're down to 7 times 0.9, 6 point something watts now, so that's a good savings there. And that's not the reason I replaced them, but it does help. So I'm going to show you what it looks like at nighttime, and I have to wait till night, but you don't. So here we go. All right, so here's the LED. As you can see, it's pretty bright. I'm gonna back up for a second. There you go. I'm gonna put the incandescent in. It's not too hot. There's that, and there's the 4-watt incandescent. As you can see, it is a little bit more yellow, and the brightness is probably about it's a lot less. We'll just say that. All right, next I'm going to show you the full view. So there's all the lights. I got 7 of them, and as you can see, that's pretty bright. I'm happy with it, and I do recommend the LEDs as a replacement or an upgrade for your system. And there we go. Bye.